today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children, as you people know, in the previous video, in the grammar part, we have completed these and those children. So, let me once revise this. Yes. Look at the pictures and write sentences using these and those. Yes children. So here you all can open page number 55 in your textbook. So you can see the children, the things are in the plural form. Plural form is what? They are more than one. Yes. So when the things are more than one, we use these or those. But when do we use these children? These is used when the thing is nearer to us, and those is used when the things are far away from us. So here dash are puppies. You can see the picture here children. Yes, dash are puppies, that is those are puppies. Dash are pens, these are pens. Dash are boats, those are boats. Why? Because they are far away. Now here the rabbits are near. Dash are rabbits, these are rabbits. Dash are bananas, these are banana. Why? Because they are near to us. Next, dash are cats, cats are far away. So those are cats. Kites are also far away. Dash are kites, those are kites. Dash are birds. You can see the birds, small two birds, and they are near. So we use these are birds. So these and those is used for the things which are more than one. That means which are in the plural form. And here, this one. Fill in the blanks, these and those. Here also you can see some of the things are near and some of the things are far. So the things which are nearer, we use these, and the things which are far, we use those, but when they are in the plural. Yes. Dash are roses, these are roses. Dash are pencils, those, see the distance, those are pencils. Dash are crayons, these are crayons. Dash are orange, those are orange. Dash are glasses, these are glasses. Dash are tomatoes, these are tomatoes. Dash are grapes, these are grapes. Dash are books, those are books. Dash are cups, these are cups. Dash are trees, those are trees, because the tree is far away. Yes children. Now here we have completed this exercise. So children, today I am here with the new topic, that is a good deed. A good deed. This deed means what? A nature. A good nature. Sabhava. Helping habit for the person is called a good nature. So today here children, we are going to see pictures in this story, and then we have to arrange the sentences according to the pictures correctly. So here children, the page number of this topic is page number 57. Page number 57, and the topic is a good deed. What is the topic? A good deed. So here we have to identify the picture what's are given here. Yes, we can see here 6 pictures are given children. Yes, 6 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many pictures are there children? 6 pictures. Yes, you? No. Yes. So in every picture we can see the same things but in different angle. Yes, in first picture you can see a lady and a boy are standing on the footpath. In the second picture also you can see there is a signal, orange signal is given there. Yes, to stop. And here green signal is given, so the vehicles are moving. And here you can see there is a orange signal. So when orange signal is given, then it's for us to move, to cross the road. When the red is given, we have to stop. And when the green is given, we have to move. When the orange light comes, then we have to cross the road. We have to cross the road. So here in the fourth picture you can see the boy is crossing the road, but the lady is standing there only. Yes or no? And in the fifth picture you can see here the boy is calling the lady. He is telling, come, I will make you to cross the road. And in the sixth picture you can see the boy is helping a lady to cross the road. So I will show you the pictures from the near children here. Yes, children. Now here you can see the picture very clearly. See here. The pictures given in a proper order, the sentences given below do not match the pictures. Rewrite the story in a proper way. See what they have given. The pictures given are in the proper order. The pictures what are mentioned here, all the 6 pictures you can see, children, they are mentioned in a proper order. Means they have set according to the story correctly. But here the sentences given below do not match the pictures. Here down they have given the sentences. Yes, children, down they have given the sentences. But you can see here, children, down the sentences are given, but these sentences do not match according to the pictures. Pictures ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವು match ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So rewrite the story in the proper order. So what you have to do, you have to rewrite the story. So now children, here you can see in the first picture. Yes, see this first picture, there is number 1 is written. What the people are doing here? The name of the boy is Azad. What is the name of the boy? Azad. And what he is doing, children, you can see there. Azad and a blind lady were waiting at the signal. So both of them, they are standing there only at the signal. Why? Because the vehicles are moving and they want to cross the road. But the road is busy, so they are standing at the signal. Here you can see, children, in the second picture. In the second picture you can see still both of them, they are standing near the signal. But the change is what here, children? Here we can see that when the lights changed, the traffic stopped. Yes, you can see here there is a pole. Yes, here you can see, children, 1, 2, 3 lights are mentioned here. Yes or no? And in this picture you saw the vehicles are moving and the Azad and the blind lady means she cannot see. She is blind. Kurudaru antivala. Yes. So she is blind. She cannot see properly. So the boy and the lady are standing here. And in the second picture, but in the first picture the vehicles are moving. Here in the second picture, the lady and the boy are standing and the name of the boy is what here? Azad. What is the name of the boy here, children? Azad. And here you can see, children, the vehicles are not moving. They are not moving. And here you can see there is a signal pole which will be having orange, green and red light. When orange light is on, then it indicates that we have to cross the road. And when red light is on, it indicates us to stop the vehicle. And then when green light is on, it indicates us that we have to move forward to our way. So here in the second picture, we can see no vehicles are moving, but Azad and the blind lady are waiting on the footpath. Coming to the third image, children. Here in the third image, you can see that Azad began to cross. Yes, the boy Azad. What is the boy here, children? What is the name of this boy? The name of this boy is Azad. And what he is doing? He was standing here. And as the vehicle stopped, he started to move. He started to cross the road. So this is the third sentence. Now you can see in the fourth sentence, the number is given there 4. In this sentence you can see the boy is turning back and looking. Yes, but the blind lady just stood there nervously. Yes, children, here you can see the boy as he was crossing. Here you see in the third picture, the lady is standing here and he is crossing the road. But suddenly he feels the lady, the grandma who is blind, she is not able to cross and she is standing nervously. Nervously andre ಒಂಥರ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗಾಬರಿಯಾಗಿ. She is standing nervously ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗೋದು. She has felt very nervous and she is standing on the footpath because she is nervous to cross the road by seeing the vehicles. Now coming to the fifth picture. Yes, here you can see in the fifth picture, children, the boy, he has come back again. Here you can see. Yes, the boy, as he was crossing the road, you can see here, he has come back again and he is holding the hand of a grandma. He is telling, come grandma, I will make you to cross the road. Azad went and took her hand. What Azad? The name of the boy, and his name is what here? Azad. What he did, children? He went back and he hold the hand of the grandma. He hold the hand of the grandma. And next, in the next picture, we can see that here he then helped her to cross the road. Yes, in the last picture, children, what Azad did? He hold the hand of grandma. Slowly from here, he was making the grandma to cross the road and go to the another side of the road. That means he helped grandma to cross the road. Why? Because the grandma was blind, children. Yes. Now here, see children, this is the first image. Yes. This is the first image. See, in the first image, the grandma and the boy are standing and the vehicles are moving. That means the road is busy. In the second picture, the signal light is on and then green light, orange light and blue light. 3 lights it will be having. And you can see here the grandma and the boy are standing on the footpath and no vehicles are moving because there is a orange signal given. And here in the last picture, third picture, you can see here they have given the red signal, orange signal, and the vehicles have stopped. They are not moving. That means when the orange signal is given, it means the people can cross the road who are across the road. So the boy is crossing the road. Who is the boy? Azad. You can see here the boy. The boy is crossing the road. Who is crossing the road, children? The boy. Okay. Now coming to the fourth picture. The boy has already come half of the way in the center of the road and he is turning back and looking at the grandma. Where he is looking? He is looking at the grandma. You can see the signal light that is on. Here in the fifth picture, you can see the boy, he went back to the grandma and he holds the hand of the grandma. He holds the hand of the grandma. And lastly, what he will do? He will help the grandma to cross the road. He helps the grandma to cross the road with the help of by holding the hand of the grandma. he helps the grandma to cross the road. So, children, I have shown you all the images. Yes, children. Here, once again I will show you because my hand was shaking. Yes. In the first image, you can see the road is full busy and the vehicles are moving. The old lady and the boy Azad are standing on the footpath. And here you can see, children, the green signal is on. Here you can see the red signal is on. The vehicles are stopped, but still the boy and the lady, the old lady, the blind lady are standing here only. In the third picture, you can see the boy is crossing the road, but the grandma is standing here only alone. So, the grandma, what happened? Here, when the boy will cross the half of the road, he turns back and he looks at the grandma. Then he feels that grandma is feeling nervous because she was already blind. Kannu sari kanangilla. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಹುಡುಗನವನಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂಥರ ನರ್ವಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂಥರ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರು. She became nervous and the boy saw that. Then what he did? He did not cross the full road. He went back to the grandma and he held the hand of the grandma. He took the hand of the grandma and what he did? He made the grandma to cross the road. Azad began to cross the road with the grandma, that is the blind lady. So here, children, first sentence they are given. When the lights changed, when the lights changed, traffic stopped. Traffic stopped. Here we will use a color pencil, children. Next, second sentence now. They are given, but the blind lady just stood there nervously. But the blind lady just stood there nervously. Next, one more sentence say down. That is, he then helped her to cross the road. He then helped her to cross the road. The next, yes. Then Azad and a blind lady were Azad and a blind lady were waiting at the signal. Waiting at the signal. The next. Azad went and took her hand. Azad went and took her hand. Azad began to cross. Began to Yes. So these were the sentences given. Now in the pictures also, here you can see children, I have shown you the pictures. Here they have given the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But the sentences are not arranged same like that way only. Yes or no? Avu hange arrange madilla. The sentences are not arranged same like that way. So first is what here given. When the lights change, traffic stopped. So that is when the light change only the traffic stopped. So that is second sentence. Second one. Second. The next. But the blind lady just stood there nervously. But the blind lady, she was scared to cross the road and she stood there nervously. So here, that is fourth picture. The boy is crossing the road, but the lady is there only. So fourth sentence. Next, he then helped her to cross the road. He then helped her to cross the boy who helped? The boy helped the lady to cross the road. That is last sentence, last picture. So we will write here 6. The next, Azad and a blind lady were waiting at the signal. Azad and the blind lady were waiting at the signal. You can see in the first picture, the vehicles are moving, but both of them, they are waiting. So this is 1. The next, Azad went and took her hand. Azad went and what he did? He took her hand. That is fifth sentence. You can see the fifth picture. In the fourth picture, he has come half the way. In fifth picture, he went and he is holding the hand of the grandma. So, fine. The next, Azad began to cross. Then what he did after going? He held the hand of the grandma and he took the blind lady, the grandma, and then he was crossing the road. That is third sentence. So here children, you can see the sentences we have given the numbers. Yes or no here? Now your homework is that you have to write this sentence according to the numbers written in the box. ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಈಗ 2 4 6 1 5 3. So now here down they have given the lines here children. You can see lines are given here. Yes or no? Yes or no children? Lines are given here. So first you have to write the first sentence. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Azad and a blind lady were waiting at the signal. First. Second sentence, when the lights changed, the traffic stopped. When the lights changed, traffic stopped. Here, second sentence. Which is the third sentence? Azad began to cross. Yes, third sentence, Azad began to cross. The next, fourth sentence, but the blind lady just stood there nervously. Fourth sentence, just stood there nervously. Fifth one, Azad went and took her hand. Then he went near to that lady and he held the hand of the lady and he took her back. So last sentence is what? He then helped her to cross the road. Then what he did? He helped the lady to cross the road. That is the last sentence. You have to write according to the serial wise. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1 2 3 4 ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲ ಆ 1 2 3 4 ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ವೆರಿ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ. And then this small exercise we have completed. Okay children, so you can complete this work and send me the photocopy of this image. Okay children, thank you children, have a great day.